This is a sock, so what we usually do is place this right at the base of the blade, and then we hold the one end in place, and we just wrap. Gonna get it as tight as you can, and once you have one wrap, it'll stay in place, so you can let it go and just roll. And it does get tight, so what I try to do is kind of even move them slightly like this. So you wrap, until you get to the end, and then you slide to the side, and then tuck it under, and then straighten it out, and then that's it.
Ready to go.
Yeah, and that's it.